Weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenens.
All right, welcome back. Good Tuesday afternoon. We've got a lot of wind headed our way. If you thought today was windy, it was, but it wasn't high wind warning criteria. Well, starting tomorrow afternoon, a high wind warning goes into effect all the way through Thursday afternoon. Sustained winds 30 to 55, gusts 60 to maybe 70 to possibly 90 or 95 along the Rocky Mountain fronts and East Glacier area. High wind watch, that's for Thursday. The watch will be upgraded to a warning. So not that bad out there today, all things considered. A little chilly wind. Tomorrow, watch that wind really ramping up through the afternoon. And then Wednesday night and Thursday. Boy, Thursday morning, that wind will be brutal. Midday Thursday. This is when most of the state will be dealing with gusts 50, 60, maybe even 70 miles per hour, and then right along the Rocky Mountain front, 90 to 95. The wind dies down Thursday up north, but look at this, even Friday and possibly Saturday, some stronger wind, southwest Montana. Tonight through tomorrow, a winter weather advisor for the Rocky Mountain front, 3 to 8 inches of snow. Winter storm warning from tomorrow evening through Saturday, 20 to 48 inches of snow. Incredible snow up on the Rocky Mountain front in the Bob. And then a winter storm watch, including Great Falls and Lewistown. There could be up to 20 inches of snow near Lewistown, the Bear Paw Mountains. Great Falls up I-15, 6 to 12, 12 to 24. Highway 287, Bynum to Pooyer. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of snow. Radar, a couple of snow showers. Helena, no advisories yet for this snow, but we're going to get buried in snow as well. You can see some of that heavy snow shower activity up on the Rocky Mountain front. Scattered snow showers, and yeah, a little lightning strike right out there, probably right near Saco. So a couple of more snow showers this evening. Tomorrow, that's when the atmospheric river really starts to work its way in. Snow up on the Rocky Mountain front. The Western Pass is seeing some snow. Maybe a rain snow shower around Helena, Great Falls. But look at that heavy snow, Rocky Mountain front and the High Line, Wednesday night into Thursday. Thursday's really windy, and that snow is just going to pile up. So by Wednesday night, Rocky Mountain front. Thursday, a little snow out the High Line, and then more Thursday night through Friday into Saturday. That's when the snow really piles up here with some wind as well. Teens tonight and 20s. Boy, it was pretty chilly last night. 2 below in Cup Bank this morning. 3 in Showdown. Got to go fast, folks. Got a lot of information to get to you. Tomorrow, wind picking up, snow in the mountains, mix of rain and snow showers in the lower elevations. Thursday, windiest day, some heavy precipitation in the mountains. And Friday, it's mostly snow for most areas. Again, Great Falls maybe up to 12 inches by Saturday, 60 degrees potentially for St. Patrick's Day, and Helena. That snow really settles in Thursday night through Saturday.